Not long ago, the world was being struck with the deadly Ebola virus, which led to the death of a lot of people. And it started spreading to different countries, and it was a public health emergency. But do you know that this Ebola outbreak has started again? And specifically is in the Democratic Republic of Congo, which has led to over 80 suspected deaths. And there are also 8 confirmed cases of Ebola, with over 246 suspected cases. And one thing is, this Ebola at some point ago started very small, and later on it started spreading. There are even health professionals who have started contracting this Ebola virus, and this is becoming very, very serious. This is because this Ebola virus is being transmitted through direct contact with an infected person. So when one person is the Ebola virus and he comes close to you and there's a body fluid of the person comes into contact with you, you too you contract it and it starts spreading. And some signs and symptoms include flu-like symptoms like fever, general body weakness, chills, vomiting. You see, and these symptoms are similar to some other conditions. So at the point that you might be diagnosed of Ebola, at that point you might have been misdiagnosed of other conditions. The new type of Ebola virus which has started spreading in Democratic Republic of Congo, which is Bundibugyo virus. This particular strain of Ebola virus is a new onset. It's something new. You see that these microorganisms, as time goes on, they develop into new structures because they adapt to the environment, they change their origin, their DNA. You understand? So that old Ebola virus that spread at some time ago, which led to the death of a lot of people, there is a new strain of the Ebola virus. And with this one, currently there is no vaccine. And this is making it very, very serious because when you are being contracted with this virus, and because we don't have any vaccine or any ideal management for it, it can lead to a lot of deaths. So currently, once the World Health Organization has given an update that this is a public health emergency, it's very, very important that we too start to wash our hands regularly with soap and water. When you greet someone, after that you need to either sanitize your hand or wash your hand. After touching surfaces of things, you need to wash your hand because you might not know that the person close to you might be having this Ebola virus and you might contract it. Currently it's in DRC and Uganda, but you might not know whether this kind of thing will start spreading like it did before. So this is what I would want you to know about this current ongoing Ebola virus outbreak. If you find this video helpful, feel free subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.